Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to login.yahoo.com. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your Yahoo Mail dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture next to the envelope icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Account. A new tab or window will open, showing your Yahoo account settings. Here, click on the Security section at the top of screen. Then scroll down to find the Verification Methods area. This is where you'll see your registered mobile number and recovery email address. It's important to make sure both are up to date and correct, since Yahoo uses them to send your verification codes. If your contact details are outdated or incorrect, simply click Add Email Address or Add Phone Number to update them. Enter your new information, verify it if prompted, and save your changes. Doing this ensures that all future verification codes are sent to the right location, fixing the issue of not receiving them. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks.